Playback apps are great for getting started, but if you want real flexibility with multitracks, Ableton is in a completely different league. Let me show you why. Hey, I'm Keegan, I'm a music director, and I built TracksBuilder to help teams run backing tracks in Ableton way faster and with way more consistency. In this video, I want to break down 3 main reasons why Ableton beats playback apps for running multitracks and why more teams eventually make the switch. The first big difference is you're not living inside somebody else's ecosystem. With playback apps, you're living inside their system. Cloud imports, limitations on custom content and custom workflows, and weirdness when you try to use tracks from somewhere else. With Ableton, you can use whatever tracks you want, edit them however you like, and build your workflow around your team, not around the app's limitations. The second reason is you get pro-level control when things start to get complex. With Ableton, you get power where it actually matters. Like if you need better editing for fixing up parts, changing arrangements, or adjusting the cues. You get better transposition, more flexible routing for complicated rigs, and MIDI and automation for syncing up things like lighting, patches, and external devices. Basically, when your setup grows, Ableton can grow with you. Playback apps can't really do that. The third reason is Ableton just works anywhere. A laptop and Ableton is basically a universal setup. No matter what setup you're running or what venue you're playing at, you can almost always make it work. So if Ableton is that much more powerful for running multitracks, why doesn't everybody use it? Honestly, it's a lot of work to set up. That's exactly why I built TracksBuilder. It bridges the gap by automating all the annoying parts, building sets for you from your template, letting you use whatever multitracks you want, and keeping everything consistent, even including a planning center integration. Basically, it gives you the flexibility of Ableton without all the setup headache. You can try TracksBuilder for free for 14 days. The link is in the bio. And if you found this video helpful, I have more content on running multitracks in Ableton on this channel. Thanks for watching.